Canter. So we're out driving Gale this afternoon because it's good for them to get a chance to stretch their legs without a human being on their backs. And we're letting him really stretch his legs. Good boy. That's it. Come back. Good boy. Comes back a notch every time I purr at him. What a nice boy. Good boy. He says, oh, that feels so good. And Brennan is along and he's doing the videoing.
Hello, everyone.
And Amy is easily keeping up with us, which surprised Brennan. And I said, have you ever watched her run a coyote to ground? She's fast. All right, let's come back to a trot. Good boy. Yep, and we're going to head back over to the road. What a good boy. I do love having them roped to drive so that they get a chance to take it real easy here. Thank you. So that they have a chance to just stretch out, relax, be able to go without anything on them except their own balance. And his gait is so much more relaxed now. Yes, you need new shoes, don't you? And he is very bothered by the bugs. And the bugs are miserable. The only good thing about when it was 108 degrees outside, 104 degrees outside, anything over 100, the bugs go and hide somewhere. They don't want anything to do with the heat either. Come back. Come back. Good boy. Gale, whoa. Whoa. This is one of his very best things, is that he'll stop and stand. Yes, we're going to get going. Walk. Walk. Good boy. You notice he waited to move until I clucked to him.
Right.
That's because that's what I teach them. And that has served me in good stead. There was a time that I was in the show ring and I had asked my horse to step up into a trot. And just as I did, somebody opened a gate on the side and stepped into the arena right in front of my horse. But I hadn't clucked and he didn't move. It was wonderful. It was a great relief. Because we could have smashed that judge to smithereens. Are you ready to working trot? What a good boy. Working trot. He's a fun horse to drive. And he loves going to town. Probably, when it's time for the Sunray Fun Day, which is in, no, it's August, I will probably drive him in the parade.
I was going to say, isn't that the week after the Stratford Parade?
No, that's the XIT.
Oh.
Stratford Parade is the 27th of July. Then XIT is the next weekend after that. And then 2 weeks after that usually is when Sunray has theirs.
Okay.
And I enjoy going down to that parade. It's a lot of fun. Bugs. bugs.
Oh, you should have seen.
Let's walk.
Should have seen Dusty and Spitfire when I was coming back with him.
Uh-huh. They said, we could go, we could go.
Uh-huh.
Yes, they're very cute girls.